Social media isn't just about posting content. It's about understanding the numbers behind the scenes. Welcome to your crash course in social media analytics. Whether you're a marketer, small business owner, or just looking to step up your social media game, this video will guide you through the essentials of measuring your success and making data-driven decisions. Social media analytics is the process of collecting and interpreting data from your social platforms to understand what's working and what's not. Imagine it as the blueprint of your online presence. It helps you measure reach, engagement, clicks, conversions, and more. These insights empower you to craft better strategies and connect with your audience effectively. Let's talk metrics. Here are the key ones to monitor. Engagement rate. This includes likes, comments, shares, and reactions. It shows how much people are interacting with your content. Reach. This is the number of unique users who saw your content. It answers the question, how far did my post go? Impressions. Unlike reach, impressions count every time your content is displayed, even to the same user multiple times. Conversions. These track how often your social media efforts lead to desired actions, like purchases or signups. Knowing these metrics gives you a clear snapshot of your performance. Analytics might sound overwhelming, but there are amazing tools to make it easier. Built-in tools. Platforms like Facebook Insights, Twitter Analytics, and Instagram Insights give you basic data about your posts and audience. Third-party tools. For more advanced insights, consider tools like Hootsuite, Google Analytics, and Sprout Social. These platforms consolidate data across channels, making it easier to compare performance. Custom dashboards. If you want complete control, tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio let you design custom reports tailored to your goals. Pick tools that align with your goals, whether you're focusing on content performance or audience behavior. Before diving into data, it's crucial to know what you're looking for. Start by setting specific goals. Are you trying to increase brand awareness? Focus on metrics like reach and impressions. Want to drive traffic? Monitor clicks and website referrals. Aiming for sales? Conversions and ROI are your best friends. By having a goal in mind, you can prioritize the data that matters most and avoid getting overwhelmed. Now, let's turn numbers into action. Analyze your data to spot patterns. What types of posts get the most engagement? What time is your audience most active? Use these insights to tweak your strategy. Experimentation is key. A/B testing lets you try out different headlines, visuals, or posting times to see what resonates. For example, if a video post outperforms a static image, consider incorporating more videos into your strategy. Over time, your analytics will guide you toward what works best for your brand. Social media analytics isn't just about tracking numbers. It's about understanding your audience and making smarter decisions. By focusing on key metrics, using the right tools, and applying insights, you can transform your social media presence. Ready to dive into your analytics? Share your favorite tools or insights in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media.